Welcome to this episode of Sitecore in 300 Seconds. My name is Jimmy Wong. I work as a solution consultant at Sitecore. In this episode, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Sitecore Content Hub Web2Print so that you know what it is, how it works, and what benefits it can deliver for your business. To start with, when we are talking about producing a graphic, here's the process that we will go through traditionally. Firstly, we will have a design brief, then we will undergo a creative process with sophisticated design tools. After that, you will have fallen into an infinitive loop of design, review, redo process with the manager and business users before having a ready-to-use content for printing. Please do not forget you still have the localization, translation, adaptation, and customization to deal with. This leads to 3 challenges. Firstly, they will need to make sure they comply with the brand guidelines and there aren't any errors, typo mistakes, or misuse of images. Secondly, a scale challenges to produce graphic in multiple sizes or formats. And finally, a time to market challenge to get the design and graphic complete and get published. In order to tackle this problem, Sitecore Content Hub has partnered with Chili Publish to produce a Web2Print service for designers and marketers to quickly produce graphic in a single digital hub. This can save you time, tangible or intangible costs, and minimize risk of using inappropriate content for graphic production. This is the journey of Content Hub Web2Print, and it consists of upload, templatize, collaborate, adapt, and export. Let's look into details. First step in our journey is upload. Within Sitecore Content Hub, you can upload digital assets through drag and drop. This includes images, video, documents, etc. Alternatively, we also support REST APIs integration to ingest product content and information via external PIM system. The second step is templatize. The templates feature in Content Hub Web2Print simplifies the graphic production process and lets users with little design knowledge create or edit documents that they can use to produce their graphics. Annotation is another thing that we can do in Content Hub Web2Print. It allows users to collaborate, give feedback, and comment on the graphics. The fourth step is adapt. You can edit your publications using Chili Editor and by changing the configuration and manipulating the elements on the publication itself. For example, you can change a simple text variable, select different frames, resize or change icon color, and so on. Once you are satisfied with the graphic, you can select download button to export graphic for printing. You can select different format or even IDML file for you to have further update in Adobe InDesign. Here are the value of Sitecore Content Hub Web2Print. Firstly, you no longer need to worry about any branding issues as your content will be in compliance with the company policy. Secondly, it is a SaaS product and is built for people without any coding background. It is also easy to use and allows you to deliver multiple graphics at scale. Thirdly, templatize your graphics can reduce risk of having human errors. Next, it can also optimize any workload from designer and marketers, reduce the operational cost and cost spent on design agency. And finally, by leveraging the Content Hub Web2Print, you can increase the overall speed to market, allowing your graphic to go live much earlier. Thank you for watching this episode of Sitecore in 300 Seconds. If you are interested in learning more about Sitecore Content Hub Web2Print, please watch my 300+ episode, where I provide deeper insight into the product and showcase how it works. If you would like to have a chat, please email me at jimmy.wong@sitecore.com. Thank you.